The Apple Magic Keyboard is a fine combination of design, aesthetics, and quality, but the audible click and physical feedback of a mechanical keyboard just can't be beaten by a membrane keyboard. Luckily, there are plenty of mechanical keyboards out there for Macs. Number 1. Logitech MX Mechanical Keyboard. If you own a Mac, you're ingrained in the rest of Apple's ecosystem to some degree. The Logitech MX Mechanical Keyboard can be paired with as many as 3 devices wirelessly, including the iPad. And if you are looking for something smaller, the Logitech MX Mechanical Mini features a compact 75% layout, which is great for small spaces and portability. Regardless of what you choose, the Logitech MX Mechanical Keyboard's switches feel great for typing and gaming. While mechanical switches naturally offer better feedback, it's the low-profile keys that provide a much more ergonomic feel. It's not as tall as a traditional keyboard, so your wrists won't have to bend at awkward angles. With a low-profile form factor and great feedback, the Logitech MX Mechanical Keyboard is perfect for typing and does well enough for gaming, too. And since it can connect to 3 devices wirelessly, you aren't limited to a single Apple device or even the MacOS. Number 2. VELOCIFIRE M87 Mechanical Keyboard. There's always room for a straightforward, no-nonsense mechanical keyboard, and the VELOCIFIRE M87 delivers on all fronts. More importantly, it's an excellent choice for those who would like to test the benefits of a mechanical keyboard without burning through savings. The VELOCIFIRE M87 features a 10-keyless profile, simplifying the layout to the most essential buttons. However, that doesn't prevent it from introducing Mac-friendly function keys that have full control of your Mac's various settings. It's slim, lightweight, and compact, making it the ideal choice for smaller desks. In terms of performance, the VELOCIFIRE M87 is built with tactile brown switches, which give the keys good feedback along with an audible thud and clack when typing. The keys also have a nice curve to them to prevent unwanted slipping as you speed through your work. If these switches aren't quite your style, you can replace the keys. Number 3. Logitech G915 TKL Mechanical Keyboard. If you plan to game on your Mac, then you have reason enough to grab the Logitech G915 TKL. It's fitted with everything you need and want out of a keyboard, from design to function. You have access to programmable macro buttons, media controls, and a few extra buttons. Regardless of which type of keys you choose, linear, clicky, tactile white, they're surprisingly low profile, though not quite as low as a Magic Keyboard. Either way, they're fantastic for typing and gaming, given how quickly the keys return to their resting position. That performance does come at the cost of wear and tear, but with the Logitech G915 TKL, it would take a mighty long time to see any kind of deterioration. The keyboard is made of tougher plastic, reinforced by a hard aluminium plate just under the keys. It gives the Logitech G915 TKL unmatched durability, longevity, and a hint of style with its brushed metal aesthetic. Other than missing a keypad, there's very little the G915 TKL doesn't have. Logitech threw everything into this keyboard, including a phenomenal typing experience and a clean design. Number 4. Keychron K2 Mechanical Keyboard. Finding a good mechanical keyboard is an exhausting adventure, but it's definitely worth it in the end, especially if your journey brings you to the Keychron K2. It's an excellent companion for typing, light gaming, and small desks due to its compact 75% layout. Given how lightweight it is, you can even toss it into a backpack. The Keychron K2 features Gator and G Pro brown mechanical switches, which give the keys a more gentle clack rather than a sharp clicking sound. Brown switches aren't for everyone, so if you prefer Gator in red or blue switches, you're in luck. The K2 allows for hot swapping. What the Keychron K2 excels at, other than typing, is functionality. In addition to Mac-friendly keys, the K2 features Bluetooth capabilities. In fact, you can connect to 3 different devices at once, which you can switch between using a slider. And if you plan on going wireless, you won't be disappointed, with the battery lasting up to 7 days on a single charge. The Keychron K2 offers a great opportunity to cut down on e-waste while simultaneously being a lovely typing experience. With the ability to connect to 3 devices at once, it's the only keyboard you need. Number 5. Keychron V6 Mechanical Keyboard. The average keyboard isn't customizable, which is a bummer, considering there's often something you end up disliking. Not so with the Keychron V6, a snazzy mechanical keyboard that you can customize from the ground up. For starters, the switches are hot swappable, supporting both 3-pin and 5-pin MX switches. That includes options like Gateron, Gale, Haimu, and the classic Cherry MX. And the best part? You don't have to solder anything. That's just the switches, though. Want different plates, keycaps? How about case foam? You can customize all of that to your liking. And with QMK, via support, you can also remap keys and create macro commands.